introduction to the LiFe-Younger. Hey guys, here is Rita speaking. Today I would like to introduce a new in-house developed and produced mobile charging system, which has integrated the energy storage. We call it LiFe-Trailer. If you are interested, keep watching our videos. First of all, let's see the appearance. It's a modern style with a clean and attractive look, which has won some international design awards like this. It offers a 200 kWh battery capacity and can be equipped with a trailer chassis at the bottom to support the movement. With 2 charging guns and a single gun can reach a max power of 180 kW. Also with intelligent monitoring and multi-security protection systems. It's not only suitable to charging electric vehicles, but also it can be used to power your factories. And the mobility makes it more convenient to supply power in farms, construction sites, outdoor activities, or other applications. Then I will show you the external components of the LiFe-Trailer. Locking panels to prevent others to operate. HMI to monitor and manage the operations. Function indicator to indicate the equipment status and the operation mode. Emergency power off to quickly cut off the power supply and ensure the safety. 1 DC charging port to recharge the LiFe-Trailers. 1 AC input port available to recharge it. AC output port available in 3-phase and single phase. The max output power can be up to 100 kW. In addition to this, the LiFe-Trailer also has a high intelligent and secure internal systems. Here is the inverter modules to convert the DC to AC powers. And here is the CCU modules to achieving the charger progress. And here is the standard battery packs. And inside here is the BMS to control the battery parameters. And also we use the liquid cooling and the fire protection to provide you with a more safety systems. Now let's see how to operate it. First, to switch on the system. Then connect the charging guns to your car. And select the charging mode and charging power on the system interface. On your car's dashboard, you can see a real-time display of charging progress and the battery status. While on the LiFe-Trailer system's interface, you are able to monitor the charging status and other relevant information. When charging is done, it's just to click the finish to check out. Through the whole operation progress, we are sure that you have seen the all-in-one design of LiFe-Trailer makes it more efficient and convenient, and provides a more reliable system for your charging requirements. So all of this is the brief introduction and demo of LiFe-Trailer. If you are interested in more information, welcome to contact us by the following ways. Thank you for your watching today. See you next time.